Yo, this is your boy Zambia YouTuber X, man, and I'm back for another video, man. Yo, I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to this YouTube channel. I have now crossed the 1,000 milestone. I've crossed the 1,000 milestone. So I want to say thank you to all y'all. I want to say a big thank you to everyone. Alright, so let's keep rocking, guys. Let's keep rocking. Alright, and those people who ain't subscribed, please, I encourage you to subscribe, because yo, I'm gonna give you the real deal, real useful, informative videos. Alright, I really do appreciate. I do not take you for granted, because you have made a very big effort that is beyond my, imagination. Okay, I just say thank you. You see, I really do thank you. Okay, alright, peace. Yo. Yo, I'm in 15 miles and yo, you know what I'm talking about, Zambia, and the road is being extended. We are having another set of two roads, two lanes involved. Okay? So essentially this road is gonna be a dual carriageway. Alright? Let me just jump in. Okay, guys, so see, the works. The works, guys, the works. So this place is gonna be, it's gonna have an extra carriage. Okay, it's gonna be a dual carriageway. So they are building the road. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so they are building the road. It's gonna be a dual carriageway. Okay. Ich bin hier in 15 Meilen in Lusaka, Zambia. Okay. Ich habe nicht genug Geld. Ich möchte ins Zentrum gehen. Heute mit mich. Ich habe das. Okay. Das ist 12 Kwacha. Aber ich habe drei Kwacha in Coins, okay, und das ist 15 Kwacha. Ich habe 15 Kwacha, aber von hier zu Central ist 25 Kwacha, okay. 25 on here to Central. Okay guys. The sun is this side. Alright. So basically we are having a new road over here guys. We are now gonna have a dual carriageway. Great North Road from here to Carriage to... They are saying that it's gonna go all the way up the Copper Belt in Dollar. Yeah. To join the other dual carriageway which goes up to Kitwe. Yeah. So this is what's going on guys. Here. So you can see the road workers over there. I'm okay, how are you? How are you?
How are you, boss?
I'm okay.
Yeah, it's the camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Camera. For YouTube videos.
Okay.
Yeah, you know YouTube?
Yes.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have.
What's your YouTube channel? What's the name? Chibuye Banda.
Yes.
Okay guys, there's a brother here who has a YouTube channel. It's very interesting. So check out his YouTube channel. It's called Chibuye. Okay.
Yeah.
I have 1,000 subscribers and it's growing. It's a growing channel.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm sure some of my subscribers will visit your channel.
Okay.
Yes. So they just have to spell Chibuye Banda. Okay.
Okay.
Is that right?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's
Okay,
good.
boss.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, cheers. See, I meet a YouTuber right here in 15 miles. Okay? Okay, cheers. Right here in 15 miles, I meet a YouTuber. Okay? Now, this is a place where there's no electricity. I mean, not everyone has the privilege of having electricity to their homes. I mean, look at where I live. Those electric poles have been there for like, I don't know how many years. And there's never been any attempt to just join a wire, which is like a few meters, and connect those houses to electricity. There's just not been any effort from either the electric company or whatever. I don't know where we're supposed to buy our own poles and buy our own wires. I don't know. If we're supposed to buy our own wires, please let us know so that we contribute and buy our own wires. You see what I mean? Because I take it that the company that supplies the electricity is supposed to buy the wires and connect houses. But I don't know. I think maybe you are supposed to buy your own wires and basically grow your own weed, so to speak. Oh, by the way, grow your own weed simply means fend for yourself. Alright? Yeah. That's why I'm a pro solar power. I'm not a pro grid power. I believe grid power is a waste of time. You know? Any seriousness to have electricity should be solar. You understand? The grid's gotta go. Okay? Solar is a new deal. Alright. So if you haven't subscribed to YouTube channel, subscribe and hit me with that bell notification. Hit that bell notification so that you get informed each time I upload a new video. Alright. Okay. Peace guys. Ciao. Yo, this is your boy Zambia YouTuber X Man, and I'm back for another video, man. Yo, I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to this YouTube channel. I have now crossed the 1,000 milestone. I've crossed the 1,000 milestone. So I want to say thank you to all y'all. I want to say a big thank you to everyone. Alright. So let's keep rocking, guys. Let's keep rocking. Alright? And those people who ain't subscribed, please, I encourage you to subscribe. Because, yo, I'm going to give you the real deal. Real, useful, informative videos. Alright? I really do appreciate. I do not take you for granted because you have made a very big effort that is beyond my, imagination. Okay, I just say thank you. You see, I really, really do thank you. Okay, all right. Peace.